Radhe Radhe.
Radhe Radhe. G for grapes.
G for grapes. G for goat.
G for goat.
G for girl.
G for girl.
H for horse.
H for horse.
H for hand.
H for hand.
H for house.
H for house.
H for house. I for ink pot. जोर से बोलो बेटा. I for ink pot. I for ice cream. And I for India. I for India. I for India. J for joker. J for jug. J for jam. J for jam. K for kangaroo. K for kite. K for king. जाओ बेटा सीजा को बुलाओ टीचर आप. L for lion. L for leaf. L for lollipop. L for M for monkey. M for mango. M for moon. N for nurse. N for nose. जो जोर से बोलेगा जल्दी कर भेजूंगी. N for nose. N for nose. N for necklace. N for necklace. N for necklace. O for owl. O for orange. O for orange. O for ostrich. O for P for parrot. P for pencil. P for peacock. Q for queen. Q for queen. टीचर सात्विक के पेरेंट्स आगे हो गए क्या? Q for queen. Q for queen. Q for Q. R for rabbit. R for ring. R for rose. R for look at it. R for rose. R for S for sun. S for shoes. जोर से बोलो. S for Santa Claus. S for Santa Claus. T for tree. T for telephone. T for telephone. T for table. U for umbrella. U for uniform. U for empire. V for violin. V for bat. V for van. W for watch. W for window. W for wall. X for Christmas tree. X for extra. X for xylophone. Y for yacht. Z for zebra. Y for yacht.